Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's Grace here. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful short pants from start to finish. Okay, so I have a 1 yard of Ankara with me. I'm going to use this to achieve these beautiful pants. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, share and like my video so that YouTube can push it to more people. Okay, I'm now folding my material into two. To know the amount of fold, divide your hip circumference into 4. In my case, it's 10 inch. My hip is 40. Divided into 4 is 10. I add extra 5 to 6 inch for my fold. This is a free pants, okay? After that, I mark my starting line. Since I'm making a cut together band, I mark 2 inch. From my starting line, I mark 2 inch and connect it on the straight line like this. So I'm now minusing 1.5 inch from it and mark 13 inch. This 13 inch point is how long I want my crotch to be. Okay, if I'm making a fitted pants, I could have used 12 inch or 11.5 for my crotch. At the waistline, I'm now inputting quarter of my hip circumference. At the crotch line, I also input quarter of my hip circumference and connect it on the straight line like this. At the waistline, I input quarter of my hip circumference plus 2 inch for sewing and ease allowance. At the crotch point, I'm also inputting quarter of my hip circumference plus 2 inch for sewing and ease allowance, and I connect it on a straight line like this. After that, I'm still placing my tape on the elastic at the waistband and mark the length of my pants. The length of my pants is 18 inch, but I'm making it 20, including the folding allowance. Okay, to get your crotch extension, divide quarter of your hip circumference. My hip is 40, quarter of my hip circumference is 10 inch. Divide the 10 inch into 4. In my case, it's 2.5, and I mark that point. At this crotch, at the hem line, I'm actually minusing 1 inch from what I have at the crotch area, okay, to give it a bit of shape. I don't want the leg of my pant to be too wide, so I remove 1 inch. You can actually remove 1.5 if that is what you want, and I connect it like so and cut it out. Moving on to the next step of it, which is the back piece. I'm placing the back on fold. Now place the front on top of the back. At the sides area, I'm inputting 1.5 inch for ease allowance. Okay, remember the sewing allowance we have already added to the front piece, which we use it to also cut the back piece. This 1.5 inch is extra ease allowance. Okay, the back of your pants needs to be wider than that of the front. I hope that makes sense. So I'm now cutting it out. I also slit the sides of my front pants. At the waist area, the center point of my front piece, I come down with 1 inch and I slant it to the side and I cut it out. At this crotch area, still at the waist, I go in with 1 inch and I slant it like so, and I will be cutting it out. The center of your back pants need to be wide, longer than that of the front. So once I'm done with that, and the crotch area needs to be a bit deeper, and the crotch area of your front needs to be a bit deeper than that of the back. After I'm done with that, I go ahead to stitch this side like so. It's very simple. I stitch the side like so, and after stitching the side like so, go ahead and iron it out. After that, I'm placing my piece right side facing in the way that the back is on the back area and the front is also on top of the front piece. And I'm going to stitch this crotch area like so with 1/2 inch, following the direction of my finger. And after that, guys, go ahead and press it flat. At the end line, I fold in 1/2 inch and further fold in a way that I will have 1.5 inch at the fold. And I'm going to go ahead and stitch it down. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to close the bottom of this pants by making sure that I align the front and the back crotch to be in the center point. And I'm going to stitch this crotch area following the direction of my finger like so. Since we make cut together band, I've also go ahead to grade a channel for my band, for my elastic to go in. Okay, I fold in 1/2 inch and further fold it with 1.5 inch. Okay, I'm using a 1 inch elastic, so I want the channel to be 1.5 inch. With the help of my screwdriver, I'm passing through my elastic inside the pants. Once I meet the two edges together, I'm going to pin it down, drag it, pull it in the way that the elastic will lose inside. I'm also going to find the elastic, the two edges of the elastic, stitch it down, and make sure close the elastic channel that is open. I mean where we insert the elastic through. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. It came out very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. See you all in my next video. Bye.